Is a good sort of an opportunity. I thought I'll post a very interesting video for you guys. And in the background, you can see that there's my Thar here and there's my Grand Vitara here on the side. And I wanted to talk about the wheels. So what I had done is that you can see in my in this situation here that I had changed the wheels of my Thar to these Lenzo wheels, which give it a pretty nice look, and the overall stance has improved. The tires are the same. The original tires see at 255/65 R18. It's a little dirty right now. I have not got it washed, but this is how it looks right now. But of course, the thing is that what happens when you change the alloy wheels of a vehicle is that what do you do with the original alloy wheels, right? They are also not bad because Thar ke alloy wheels are pretty good. The only thing is that they were so common that they were just too boring to look at. So had to change them. So, but don't want to waste them, right? So I was sitting that day and I was just wondering, and I just randomly checked the PCD of the Grand Vitara because the Grand Vitara is also there in with me. I go to office in this. I do the most of my 80% stuff on this car, and this is for the weekends. This is for the 4x4 things, and some special days when I want to enjoy driving this. So both are very different cars, of course. So what do you do with the wheels? I checked the PCD. The PCD is a pitch circle diameter here, right? So just read it up. It's on Google what it actually means. So basically, it's the size of the the length and basically the distance between these lug nuts. So every car has a particular PCD, and it decides the kind of the size of the wheel, the alloy wheel that will go into your vehicle. Okay, so if two cars have a common PCD, if the PCD is the same, it is very, very likely, most likely, they can have the same alloy wheels. First thought that came to my mind was like, okay, instead of throwing away those alloy wheels of the Thar, can I use them somewhere, right? And then when I realized that the Grand Vitara PCD is the same, the first thought that comes to my mind was that, can I use it in my Grand Vitara? But then I was like, okay, Grand Vitara is a different size car. It has got a different engine. The power is less. And this thing is like a 2-liter turbo GDI, and this has got a different weight because इसका weight भी होता है ना, वो भी देखना होता है, इसका size होता है, weight होता है, और अगर लगा भी दिया तो वो even if you put it on the wheel, it will fit. But what if it doesn't? If it scrapes around, what kind of tire size is going to go in it? And then turns out that okay, let's give it a try. Okay. So what I did was that, of course, I went to Auto Techniques to Pannu sir, and there we started a little bit of experimentation. And in that experimentation, it turns out that this is how it looks now, and it is just looks perfect to me. And I was like, okay, let's first try that tire, then let's put this tire. That tire looked okay. Then we put this tire. And then this tire looked okay. Then we lifted it up. We tried to rotate it. We saw, does it touch anywhere? It did not touch anywhere. You can see that this Grand Vitara is probably the first one जिसके ऊपर ये experiment हुआ है, right? And these are the Thar alloy wheels. You can see the Mahindra logo. The PCD is exactly what it is, the original PCD. Nothing has been changed. They are bolt on. And the tires that I have put are Yokohama Earth Dreams. Okay, and these are 245/50 R18 tires. So now the Grand Vitara has got the original wheels that Grand Vitara had were 17-inch. Now it's got 18-inch wheels. This one, you can see the look of it, and it is the original wheels were 215/65 R17. I'm going to put it on the screen here. The original wheel size and the ones that I have put now, these are 245. These are 3 size up, right? So 3 centimeters wider, and I'm going to show you the look from the back also. I have driven this car for about 350 kilometers, and this is how it looks. Never thought that the Grand Vitara can take, or even if it takes, it can drive well, acceptably with tire size this large, right? This has completely changed the stance of the car, the look of the car. And let's now go for a drive, and I'm going to tell you how it drives, right? So let's do that. Okay, so now we're going to go for a drive on this. So let me stress this again. We are driving a Grand Vitara which has got Thar rims in it, and we are going to go for a drive and see how it drives. Couple of things that I've noticed when I drive this vehicle right now with the wheels that with the Thar wheels. The biggest thing I notice is, of course, it was expected to reduce the mileage. In my 350, I don't know, 350, 400 kilometer testing, I've been driving it every day in the city and a little bit on the highway also I drove it. I've seen about 1 kilometer of mileage going down, just about 1 kilometer, not much, which is really surprising to me. Other than that, the car feels more planted and heavier. So the handling is really good, but I've not really tried it so much because I'm not a very fast sort of a driver. I drive at pretty normal city speeds. The best thing is that when you feel, Grand Vitara ka ek feature hai that it's got these paddle shifts, and I think every time, and it's got a very reliable torque converter, very nice 6-speed torque converter. So that's a very good thing about the Grand Vitara. So if you have some manual control, of course a manual gearbox, everybody has a lot of full manual control, but in this manual control comes from this, and because of that, I think it drives perfectly. Like, it's just the way it was before. I haven't seen any bit of difference in this. The ride is of course more plush, softer. It's more European car like, so to speak. It's less noisy, even if the tire size is 3 sizes up. Let me just park the vehicle right now, and I'm going to give you a nice little glimpse of how it looks in the sun outside in the light, because wo niche basement mein the light was not enough. And I'm going to show it to you from all angles so that you can see how the stance has really changed on this car. And it's just, I feel like driving it a lot more now, because earlier it was just a stock vehicle, and I don't like stock vehicles. Like, they're okay, but they're just okay for 99% of the people. I wish I had a drone and I could, it could follow me on the side, so you could see from the rear quarter angle how the vehicle looks when it is driven. But that's okay. What we can do right now is we can park the vehicle in the sun, and then I can show you how it looks. I'm just going to look for a spot where I can peacefully show this vehicle to you. So this is how it looks. I'm going to put the camera down. This is how it looks. And yeah, this is the stance of the vehicle. The thing is that they're flush inside the body of the car, like they're not jutting out. So they look very, very original, The Thar wheels anyway have a very factory look. They don't look aftermarket at all. I'm going to go on the side of the road and show you from far how this looks. You can see that they're 18 inches, so there's a lot of space there's a lot of space between the wheel, between the 5 spokes that the Thar wheels have. So that looks really cool, I think. And the wheels are of course bigger now, and it looks really, really tremendous. As far as driving is concerned, there's just barely any difference. There's hardly any difference when you drive the car. It's 99.99% the same. It feels the same. Of course, this is probably the first Grand Vitara which has got this experiment done. Let's go to the front now. Let's go to the front now and see how it looks from the front. Front ka iska bada low hai. That's a very low slung car from the front. So you can barely make out how the wheels are from the front. Right. the original color of the Thar alloys is really good. I really like it, the way it looks, the way it goes with this. The red color matches really well, and I've just become a fan of this whole experiment now, and really love the look of this vehicle right now. And if you guys want to know more about this experiment, just comment on this video, and I'll try and answer as much as I can. Okay, so we are going back, and I hope I have given you a good idea of the vehicle right now. If you have Thar alloys somewhere, you can source them, and if you have a Grand Vitara, and if you want, if you feel that your Grand Vitara should look a little different and something different from a regular Grand Vitara that you see so many of on the road, and if you value good quality ride, and handling and comfort and looks, then you can actually just go ahead with this. The tire does not scrape anywhere. I have done full turns, I have reversed, gone fast, filled up the car with 4 people with luggage in this 350 kilometers, and there is absolutely no trouble with the size of this tire. Just be prepared that your mileage will go down by about a kilometer. Other than that, this is an absolute winning combination it has been so far right now for the past 350 kilometers that I've driven it. So send me some questions. This is all I could think of, and send me some questions if you're keen on doing this. The Thar alloys are a billion of them are available everywhere. So even if you don't have a Thar available at home, like I had, you can just get these wheels for really cheap from anyone, because the Thar chaps keep changing their alloy wheels, and they keep putting new ones. So there are a bunch of them lying around, the original ones everywhere. So look for them. That's about it. So I'm going to catch you on the next video, guys. Ciao. Bye.